I also worked in manufacturing where they made paint. So we wrote the application. It was basically a recipe list. So you could create a recipe and all the steps of how to make the paint, and then we would send that recipe to another application that was written in Java for one of their other, for the machinery, and then that would just automate and make the paint. And they would just have to update it within our application, and it would change how it's made or do what it needed to do. So we started with a PowerBuilder application written back, I think it was the 80s or 90s. And we took that application and the processes in it page by page from there and moved them to Apex. So it was a lot of work. A lot of it, we could copy over, but most of it we had to rewrite into modern code, modern ways of doing it. So some of it was a copy, some of it was we had to rewrite to get the steps correctly down. But yeah, we took what they had and we basically just modernized it into something easy to use. And again, it took us about 6 months to get it fully working and ready for them. I worked a lot on the automation side of it, building the pages to show the steps, how it's supposed to run, how it's supposed to work, and getting that all working. So it helped with, instead of needing to manually add things, they were able to automate a lot of that and just have it run on its own. It was a lot clearer and easier to use. And another thing is, if they ever need to make changes, they don't need to find someone that knows 40-year-old code or out of code 40 years ago. They have people that can update it, and it'll just work. So it did help them a lot in saving time, saving resources. And it eliminated a lot of the human error that comes with hand mixing stuff.